What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another Busta-Bust or Not episode. We have been missing for a long time, but we're back now. Been a minute, but we're back now. Right? Yeah.
Something like that, I don't know.
So, by the title of this video, we got a lot of things. I sound like Donald Trump. A lot of things. Alright, bro, what we got first?
I don't know, man.
This is gonna be a frenzy of boxes that you're gonna just throw at me, dude. It's gonna be like... It's camo, bro. You can't see me.
I should get it.
Let's do it one at a time, bro. I can't... This tiny table, you know, if it was in our budget, we'd get a bigger one.
Gotta get the feng shui, of course.
It's broken. Feng shui, why you broke on me? Alright. Hopefully there's nothing...
Yeah, hopefully there's no mouse pads. It's another box.
So we got tape, gaff tape, because you already know we need that for weddings and other stuff that we're gonna be shooting. If you guys don't know what gaff tape is pretty much like awesome duct tape, but a tape that doesn't leave that sticky residue. Or for example, if you're renting out a place and you don't want to leave residue or mess up the wall, this is your thing. I don't even know what this is. Oh, we got a Samsung SSD, what is it, 860 Pro for our monitor that's coming tomorrow. Stay tuned for that video. If that video's already out, check it out over here. Yeah, this unboxing was so big that we had to split up into 2 videos. What's this? This is another quick release plate. We got 2 of these boxes.
Made in China.
Dude, are they just gonna keep scamming me?
We got boxes till the end of time.
Got boxes on boxes, bro. So we got GVM lights. These are some of the best LED bicolor lights that you can possibly get. 97 plus TRI and like under $100. Like, that's insane, bro. You can't even find anything like close to this.
It's also like our 4th most viewed video.
Yeah, so if you guys are wanting to check out the specs on this sucker, check it out over there. Comes with the little adapter, wall mount. What the heck is this? Damn, this tape is like... fuck, bro. Oh, these are the tiny little... Comes with an Allen key, cool. Tiny little screw thingies.
Oh yeah, the things you don't use?
Yeah. Stuff we're not gonna read. Hey, bro, your favorite.
Gel silicone.
Got that, and then, yeah, boom, we got a light, bro. Sad thing is these don't come with batteries, but we got that. Oh yeah, and it comes with the diffuser over here. Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Oh, and it comes with like, oh, sweet. Yeah, these lights were so good that we had to get 2 of them. Another GVM. Yeah. Next box. Oh. Just white boxes in a brown box. Yeah. So we got batteries. We got a car charger, and then we got Sony NPF 970 style batteries. I think we got 2 of them. Stuff we're not gonna read because it's in Japanese. Really big, nice and juicy battery. I don't even know what company this is from, but these were about like what, $40 for a pack of 2 and a charger. So I was like, you couldn't pass up on that.
So we're like, yeah, 3 of them.
Yeah, 3 of them. We needed 2 for each light. Come on. More Japanese stuff I'm not gonna be reading. So these are pretty heavy ones, so I don't really care about weight. I'm not like a wimp when it comes to battery weight. You know, all these.
We're in the gym 40 hours a day,
40
bro.
hours a day! So I just put these suckers on whatever I need, and I just want to make sure I have enough power for the rest of the day. So we got like 2 for each GVM. Here's no, the battery charger for that. Here's the, yeah, here's your wall mount charger, which I think it fits in there. I mean,
Which is gonna be quite interesting. It probably fall off the wall.
right. So boom, 3 separate cases of them. So what? 2 for the GVM and then 2 for the monitor. Might need more eventually.
Cool.
Cool. Just, you know. Final box. Bubbles. I like bubbles. So we got cable. Got that. What the heck is that? Damn. Let me just remind you guys, this is just a half of everything that we just ordered. Yeah. So let's start with this right here. Small rig.
Gotta get feng shui back.
Small rig is known for making cages for cameras. If you guys don't know what cages for cameras are pretty much just a little cage that you put your camera on, and then you can attach like other accessories. Kind of nice to if you want to put an extra mic on, or if you want to put a small little light on, or if for our purposes we want to put a follow focus on. So we got this small rig bottom circle piece thing. So this right here, it's nice and sturdy. Comes with a little rod holders. So the rods come in tomorrow, sadly, but I'm gonna put the rods in and then put the follow focus on the rod. Yeah, and then that quick release mount, wherever that was, like that, and then this whole thing will go on top of the Ronin.
Like a sandwich.
Like a sandwich, bro. I don't know. Oh, and this comes with nice amounts of screws. It's a decent bag, not gonna lie. Let's start with this. Ow. I was gonna act like I was gonna read it. We don't read out here. Yeah, this is a mount for the monitor. Newer. It's a newer mount. No, like for real, it's a newer mount. So yeah, I don't know which side goes where, but something goes somewhere. And then boom, put this on the whole of the rods of the
fucking
the Ronin cage. Is it a cage or what would you call it? The grip, the Ronin M grip. Yeah. So we got a Belkin, HDMI cable. This is HDMI 2.1. It doesn't say it on there because 2.1 is not like, like certified yet, so no company can actually like claim that they're 2.1 without like falsely claiming it. 48 gigabytes per second HDMI speed. It's crazy. I'll take it up. Alright, so we got damn, it's nice and silky kinda, like, I was like, oh, look at that. Nice and shiny. So this is a caddy reader. Nice unboxing, straight and simple. Yeah, you just literally plug it in and you just read your caddy. I think we didn't even open this. I should open this to see. Great unboxing. Maybe keep that. So yeah, boom, boom. I don't know. I've never used these.
Don't break it.
Boom. Now you plug it in, and it's a 3.1 Gen 2 speed cord. So you already know. If you guys want to see more about USB-C cords and what anything about USB is, check it out over here. I took care of it for you guys. Okay. What's this? This is our ND filter. Cool, that little bag and everything. Nice. So we got an ND filter. If you are a variable ND filter. So if you guys don't know what an ND filter is, it's pretty much like sunglasses for your lens. And a variable ND filter allows you to change the amount of light that is actually coming through. If I change this, oh, there we go, see? I don't know if you guys can tell very well. Boom, boom. So essentially, if you guys are shooting at 30 frames per second, and you need to have your shutter speed at 60 because you know the 180 rule, and you don't want to turn up your aperture all the way because you want that nice creamy bokeh. This is essentially your answer for that. This could give you between I don't even know how many stops, like 2 to 6 stops, I believe. So I wanted to put this on the Sigma, and this is a perfect size for the Sigma, but just in case for my other lenses, I don't want to buy another one, so I got a step up or a step down ring where I can like attach other smaller rings, essentially making it like a cone. Yeah, stepping it down for the other lenses. So I only need essentially just one ND filter. So that will be coming tomorrow. So moving on to the next thing. I like this. Comes with the, I don't even know what this is. Oh cool, charge adapter. Dude, this glass desk is just, oh dang, this thing's big, bro. That's what my girl said. So yeah, so we got a V-mount battery. Never thought V-mount batteries were gonna be so huge, bro. So we got this to essentially put on our Aperture 120D so we can take that sucker portable. And dude, I'm pretty sure this thing came a little bit charged. I got that one more. So essentially, guys, this is what we got for today. We got two GVM lights, a bunch of Sony NPF 970 batteries, adapter for the V-mount, a terabyte SSD, awesome SSD reader, ball joint mount, quick release plate, cage mount thingy, ND filter. Did I say ND filter? Probably. I don't know. Gaff tape, HDMI cable, and what else do I have? And then wall chargers. So that's it for today's episode. Comment down below, leave a like, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. If you guys follow us on Instagram and Snapchat stories, you'll be able to keep up to date with all the stuff that we're doing in real time practically. I always post all this stuff when we get it right away, so you guys can, try to guess what we're getting and stuff like that, whatever. And essentially in the future, we'll be doing giveaways through Snapchat stories and Instagram stories. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Check out the next video. Until then, have a good one.